Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Just want to say massive thanks for the new viewers on the channel. That's really awesome to see. Do head on over to my $100 giveaway on Twitter at the moment. Don't miss out on it because we're going to announce the winner in around 15 days. So just head on over in the Twitter down in my description if you want to be part of that. So we're going to look at Step App today. We've completely crumbled and lost this $0.73 range as the rest of the market capitulates massively. We've got extreme fear in the market at the moment, literally sitting at 10. These are some of the lower levels in the market that we ever really see. The last time we had this much fear in the market was in January 2022. So again, we're seeing huge amounts of capitulation and fear. Lots of retail investors are getting shaken out of the market right now. Another crazy thing is even Terra USD lost its peg. This is meant to always be pegged 1-to-1 to the dollar, and we actually saw a 30% drop here with Terra USD. So that's a pretty insane chaotic action in the market that should definitely not be happening at all. So I reckon a lot of investors have lost their interest and trust in that particular stablecoin. So this is what's happening at the moment with the FitFi. We can see we had our ascending channel, and I said to you there's probably a good chance that we'd lose a particular support level. Now I didn't think we'd lose it that harshly. So what happened is we had our all-time high at 0.73. If we look at the beginning of the impulse around about this price level here, and we take this impulse to the swing high, you can see that we corrected pretty much just below the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So what I've done is I've joined these up to create this long-term support. But what I think might potentially happen here, because we did get a huge bounce from 0.27, and a lot of altcoins got a lovely bounce actually across all kinds of cryptos, you know, layer 1s, 2s, DeFi, everything has really bounced. You can see here lots of green in the market, but I do think we're still going to see some potential downside because we've got a bit of a doji candle here, so equal buying and selling pressure. We've just flipped red right now, and when we look at the 30-minute time frame, we can see we've had almost like a double bottom reversal. We got the breakout to the upside, and this was the pump up to $0.45. So right now FitFi or Step App is trading in this very strict sort of symmetrical triangle pattern that we do see. I'll put it on the 5-minute time frame. We can see lots of volatility, but the lines are converging, so there is a lot of support along this particular level. If we do break to the downside, I imagine we will kind of revisit these sort of lower levels at 0.31, but of course we can still break to the upside here. If we look at the RSI, we're not overbought, we're not oversold. You know, on the bullish scenario, if we can break through the 0.46 resistance, we'll be looking at around $0.49 on that particular level as well. So keep an eye on FitFi. I'm not 100% sure where it'll go, but I'm still very much macro bullish on this $100 million market cap project because it's a low cap gem. On this 4-hour time frame, again, we can see we've put through now a lower high, but we can still effectively come through to some higher resistance ranges. Right now we're looking at basically retesting some resistance around the 0.382 level. You can see when we got that bounce, we did come up to 0.5 at the 0.382 fib extension, but we got rejected completely at that 0.382, which is usually what happens. We bounce off support. In a bear market, you get rejected off of the resistance. So hopefully we can see some continuation to the upside, break out of this lovely little symmetrical triangle. And once we do, we should be able to at least retest the 0.45 resistance. If we do break through 0.45 resistance, the next area I think we'll be coming up to is about 0.5. So at least set up some take profits around 0.45. If you're getting in at these levels, also 0.5 as well will be another take profit region, guys. So if you want to buy some of this lovely FitFi or Step Up today, you can buy crypto today using my link down in the description below at the very top. Make sure you also enter my Twitter, don't forget to do that. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you hop in the Discord channel and leave suggestions below. Bye now.